About 5 years ago, we started out as America Grading and Land Clearing. Trees kind of fell in our lap, and I ran with it. Trees, we do about 99.9% of everything we do is trees. We make sure that every customer, before we leave them, before we get paid, we get a smile on their face. And all of our business is pretty much repeat customers. Repeat and word of mouth. We do very little advertising. We do all of Peachtree City's contract work. Anything that's laying on the ground, the city will take care of. But if it's dead and dangerous, diseased, and too much of a difficult tree for them, then they'll call us in. We'll handle it. We're America Grading and Land Clearing, and this is what we do.
Alright, I'm Rob, this is Dan, Poncho, Crouton, and Cookie. This big tree on the ground, this is what we do. We're good at it, we love it, it's hard work, but at the end when it's all cleaned up looking like this, and nothing's tore up, nobody's hurt, makes it all worth it.
And you work for who?
Danny Prudo.
And what's the name of the company?
America Grading and Landscaping. At the end of each job, when it's all done, we stir the pot. Cookie.
Want to get that chipper pulling on it, or do you think that's good?
Hold on. Cookie.
Want to get that chipper pulling on it, or do you think that's good?
Hold on.
We're America Grading and Land Clearing, and this is what we do.